Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and comment on my video so that I can bring for you beautiful videos for beautiful and VIP classic room decoration for you. So don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the wood decoration, the lines and the bulbs. You can see in the side wall decoration, you can see beautiful lights and all, looking very beautiful and attractive, looking very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the grass and you can see the outside view also beautiful. Maybe it is a hotel room or some VIP place, looking very beautiful. You can see the small plants. This one also very beautiful. You can see the roof decoration. You can see the stars and all, looking very beautiful. They made it very beautiful, the wall and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the maybe construction is going on or the finish. You can see the fire on the middle, very beautiful. They're sitting here, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful house. You can see this one, and you can go up with the stairs. Very beautiful decoration and design. This one also beautiful design they did for this one. You can see the fire and all, looking very beautiful, and the walls and the this one, everything is very beautiful. You can see this one also. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the fire middle. You can see looking very beautiful. This one also they did the design. They designed very beautiful, good decoration they did. You can see the outside view also looking very beautiful. The fire, you can see beautiful fire and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool and the chair. You can see where you can sit after bathing. You can enjoy too much. Very beautiful waterfall also. This one also very beautiful. You can see the plants and you can see the chair and all, very beautiful, very good looking. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the up you can see lights, the down you can see beautiful decoration and all. It is maybe a hotel or somewhere, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lighting and the design and the decoration, the stairs and all, very beautiful. The lights and all, and the small plants, very good decoration. This one also beautiful decoration. You can see the outside big sea, very beautiful. And you can see this one, the fire. You can see beautiful fire at winter. You can sit here and warm here. This one also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool there and the beautiful place here. Maybe this is big house, very big house. This one also very beautiful. You can see the blue color lights and all, very beautiful lights. And outside you can see the mirror window. You can see outside beautiful view. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lines, the up roof. You can see decoration, very beautiful, very good decoration they did. You can see the white color wall and the lamp. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the outside view, very beautiful view you will get, very good view you will get. You can see the down floor also. This one also very beautiful. You can see the purple lights and all, very beautiful design and decoration they did for this one. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and comment. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye, take care. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.